Sora 2 is one of the most powerful AI video tools right now, but most people don't know that you can actually use Sora 2 for free. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, go to uart.ai and create your account. After that, log in. On the left side, tap Projects and create a new workflow. This will open your blank workspace. You'll see different options like image models, video models, image loader, and more. Here, tap Video Models. A list of all video tools will open. From here, choose Sora 2. The Sora node will appear inside your workspace. Here you can write your prompt, choose the aspect ratio, set the video length, and turn on Free Mode. Free Mode doesn't use credits, it just takes a longer wait time.
How much for this one?
30 rupees, madam.
Perfect, thank you.
Jalebi, garam jalebi.
If you want Sora to create a video from an image, you can simply upload the image from your PC. If you don't have an image yet, you can create one using Nano Banana Pro. And yes, you can use Nano Banana Pro for free as well. I explained everything in the previous video. In the next video, I'll show you how to get Seedance 2.0 early access. See you in the next one.